Assalamu alaikum. Myself Sardar Sufyan and you all are watching here at Tech Bandage. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. And also like and share in case of any problem and how to download any game. Share your views in the comment below. Let's start the video. In this video, I will show you that how to download GTA 3 by one click download and in 342 MB setup size. Most important thing is that you can run and install this game on slow systems also with 2 GB RAM and without any graphic card. Let's download this game now. First of all, the link of this game is in description. Click on this link. When you click on the link, a new tab is open like that. Stay on this page for 5 seconds and after this click on the get link option. Sometime a damn pop-up screen like that is display. Close this and ignore this. Here is the GTA 3 Liberty Setup X. Click on this and start downloading. Okay, go to the downloading page. Here is the GTA 3 setup. Extract this file and you can see this. Double click on GTA 3. Here now you can see that his graphics are really too awesome, easy to play. Look at the, oh my god, his missions are really too awesome. I really like this game. Please play this game. I hope you enjoy this game. Yeah, graphics are really awesome, guys. Oh my god, oh look at this. Oh, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. Khuda Hafiz.